Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by installing a reliable clap detection app. Pick one with active background listening and good reviews. Once installed, open it and immediately grant microphone access, notification permission, and background run permission so it can hear claps anytime. Make sure to exclude that app from battery optimization or sleep lists. Otherwise, the OS will stop the listener. You do this now so the app remains active and can trigger the ringtone when you need it most. Once done, configure sensitivity and the detection pattern to match your environment. Choose single clap, double clap, or a clap sequence. You should reduce sensitivity in noisy places and increase it in quiet rooms. This prevents TVs or traffic from triggering false alarms. Then pick a loud ringtone or vibration pattern and test at 1 to 3 meters. If the phone missed claps, make small sensitivity tweaks and repeat testing until it reliably responds to your chosen pattern. You finish by running full tests in the spots you normally lose the phone: couch cushions, bedroom, kitchen. Walk away, clap the configured pattern, and confirm the phone rings. If it does not, immediately recheck microphone permission and battery exclusion settings. Make sure no power saver is killing the app. If problems persist, lower sensitivity slightly, try a different detection pattern, or reinstall the app and repeat setup. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the phone after permissions changes to ensure
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.